Alright guys, welcome back. So today I am going to be aerating both aquariums and feeding them as well. And then I think I'm going to add some plasma 3 to our sea monkeys on Mars. I've noticed there's only been a couple babies in there, and the plasma does help the unhatched eggs. I'm going to be adding some distilled water today. Here's our Aqua Dragons food. Just one small scoop of that. And here's our sea monkeys growth food. One small scoop of that. Here is our plasma 3. Now it says to add the whole package, but I'm not going to do that. This is supposed to encourage more eggs to hatch. But I'm only going to add a little bit for now. Alright, let's give these about an hour and then let's take a closer look.